Hello everyone. In today's video, we're gonna see how we can install Google ReCaptcha and enhance login security for WordPress. So first of all, let's install the advanced Google ReCaptcha plugin. Go to Add Plugins, search for Google ReCaptcha, install, activate. And then head to the ReCaptcha setting. Go to ReCaptcha setting. So here at the ReCaptcha setting, we have multiple types of ReCaptcha. For this video, I'm gonna use Google ReCaptcha version 3. To get the CAPTCHA seed key and secret key, we're gonna go to Google ReCaptcha console. We'll have the links in the description. I'm gonna create a new site key. We're gonna give it a label. Choose which type. We're gonna use v3. And we'll add websites that are allowed to use this CAPTCHA key. So we'll copy site key and then copy secret key and verify the CAPTCHA. All right, all is verified. We're gonna click on save. Then we will see that the ReCaptcha version 3 has been enabled. This plugin also comes with another option, is to limit login attempts. It secures the website from brute force attacks. There are a few other options, like in the firewall. We're gonna see a black bad boots option. Enable that. I will log out from my account. So on the bottom left, you see the Google ReCaptcha sign. So that means it works just fine. So that's it for the video. And as I said, if you want to enable Google ReCaptcha version 2, you can do same process. You just change the version from your Google ReCaptcha console. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.